Good morning, people! Tabingi talaga.
Competition today!
No, tabingi talaga ang aking... Ano ba yan? Paano ba ito? Pwede ba
Mommy?
ito mabalik sa
Mommy?
JB Hi-Fi?
There, Mommy, that class we don't dance in there.
Yeah, you don't dance, I know. You just stretch.
No, we do our routine instead.
Oh, yes.
We don't stretch.
Hey, Kai, where are you, Nana?
Stretch on the blue floor. That's called blue floor.
Alright. That's your foot clip on the hair. So, Mia has gymnastics today. She doesn't have ballet yet. Kasi,
look
ano
how
pa,
cute that is.
start pa next week. But she's
Does it
not
see how
going to
cute?
ballet anymore kasi she will be swapping.
Jazz.
Yeah, she will be swapping the ballet class to jazz. Kasi gusto niya jazz. Na-bored na daw siya sa ballet, guys. So, gusto niya jazz.
I've been at ballet for like, I don't know how many days.
Since you...
Since I was,
Hi!
guys, I've been at ballet since I was
2 years
old. Oh, yeah. 2
Ang
years.
galing remember mo pa. Ang maiksi na yung hair niya. Haircut natin siya. Tingnan niyo. Pwede naman siya ma-bun. But like, mas cute siya tingnan pag may konting hair sa likod. So sabi ko ganito na lang. Ayan. So much. Gusto kong ganitong look niya. So your outfit? Wow! May skirt siya dyan. Pinapants ko siya kasi malamig. Yan. So, pants na may skirt. Tapos yung leotards nila. Wow! Etong isa naman, nagugulo dito sa vanity ko.
Oh, wait.
Oh! Alright. So, let's go to... Maaga pa kami, guys. Maaga pa. Hindi siya, may snacks na siya. Sabi ko, kuha ka ng snacks mo. Dadalhin natin. What else do you want?
Want chicken?
What else do you want?
Want that?
Alam niya na kumuha dito sa pantry. Pag gutom siya, diretso siya dito, guys. Ganun siya, pili siya. Alam niyo kung ganda nito. Ang, gustong-gusto ng mga bata to. Bigay sa akin ng friend ko na nag-work sa Costco kasi binigay ko sa kanila yung mga damit ni Mia na size 2 and size 3. Kasi nga, wala na. Pinagbibigay na natin yung mga gamit ni ate. Ayan, ito, coconut rose, guys. Dubai style pistachio milk chocolate. From Costco ata niya nabili to. And ito, ang daming-dami nito. Gustong-gusto ni Kai tsaka ni Mia.
Hi.
Wala nang laman. Oh, ay isa na lang. Ilang, 8 ata. Tapos meron siyang surprise toy. Ganito, yung mga maliliit. Ito, ganito yung itsura niya. Gummy yum.
Two.
Oh, ito, tingnan mo siya. Nakita niya lang. Iniwan niya lahat ng kanyang... Let's go! Naiinis ako tumingin sa aking screen. Kasi tiko kayo, guys. Pwede ba yan mabalik dun sa JB Hi-Fi? Sabihin ko, hindi siya straight. Saka pwede naman, oy. Kasi diba may warranty ako. Pwede pa siya mabalik. Let's go to gymnastics. So, ayun. I was saying na yung schedule ni Mia sa ballet is now Friday and not Saturday anymore. Para hindi siya malate sa gymnastics, guys. Kasi sayang yung 20 minutes, 15 minutes na lagi siyang late. Diba? Sayang binabayad natin. And sabi din niya, ayaw niya na ng ballet. Na-bored na siya. Mas gusto niya jazz. So, sa jazz na siya every Friday. So, dagdag sa schedule niya after school. At sabi nga dun sa ballet, ang dami kasi nilang type of dance na pwede mong i-enroll. So, sabi nila, maganda daw pag mag-enroll din si Mia sa performance base. Yun yung nagko-competition sila. Pag nag-enroll ka sa performance base, kailangan mo more than 2 dances. So, kailangan multiple dance, guys. Like, kailangan mo mag-enroll sa ballet, jazz, or silk and acro. Kasi may silk and acro din sila, which is similar to gymnastics. And there's another one, not just that. Top. May top din yung top. Yung shoes na, yung miniwear nilang shoes is may heels. Tapos top sila. Yung maingay na dance using heels. I think she will like that too. You like that, Mia? Top dance? You're wearing heels and then you do that like you like that?
Like wearing heels and I do this.
And you tap, yeah. You dance with the heels, like you tap your feet while dancing. It's a tap dance,
I know.
you know. So ayun, gusto ko lang naman na i-enroll siya dun sa gusto niya talagang dance, which is the jazz. Alright, let's go. Nandito na kami,
To be
guys.
quick.
So,
You have to be quick yourself.
you don't have your ano? Yeah, it's not yet 11:30. You're early, girl. Oh, what happened? Did you give the stuff to Kai? You finished it all? Wanna drink water? Yes, girl. Kumain pa sila talaga ng yung sa Costco na gummies. Yung surprise. Oh, what did you get? Did you open? What did you get inside the egg? Oh, what's this? Cute. Cute naman ito. May kasama silang mga kinakain nila, yung food nila. Ayun. Anyway, let me put this in my bag. Okay, let's go.
Where's the
Say
lipstick?
bye to the people.
Wait, Mommy, give me a lipstick. I ran out of lipstick on my lips.
Lipstick pa talaga siya. Dali
It's
na.
not wet. Not wet.
Take off your glasses.
Yeah, because they're doing balls.
That's it na. Enough na. Let's go. Ay!
Yeah.
Okay, go straight. Let me see. Oh, magpa-lipstick pa talaga siya. Oh, let's go na. Let's go. Trinay ko, chinat GPT ko. Kung pwede ba siya palitan. Hindi daw pwede kung nalaglag ang reason. Inalaglag siya ni Kai. Hindi. So, sabi niya, i-try ko daw i-gimbal, calibrate. So, ay, umiiyak na siya. Alright, let's go. So, kinalibrate ko siya. Hindi pa din siya straight. Parang numala pa nga, oh. Yes, we're going. We're going to the mall. While waiting for ate. And we are gonna pick up my... Let's go na. Look, mommy, oh. We're going to pick up my order from Kmart. Nag-click and collect lang ako. Let's go na. Antok to, guys. Ang aga nagising, eh. Tingnan niyo tong anak ko. Nagising man siya, guys. Hindi ko pa siya tinatransfer. Nagising na siya. Gusto mo yan gawin? Sarap na sana ng tulog niya, eh. Ano ba yan? Nagising pa. Sana binaliktad ko pala to. Ha? Bakit ikaw nagising? Mary? Yeah, thank you. I've got it. Thank you. Bili lang kami ng pizza ni Kai dito. Gusto niya yung pizza dito, eh. No, Kai, no. Kumakain na siya na Tiddlers. You like that Tiddlers? Yeah? Kmart na kami. Punta kami dun sa customer service to pick up our click and collect.
Yeah.
Oh. Hanap ko yung camera nila na nakita ko kasi ito mahilig mag-vlog sa dito sa Osmo Pocket ko, eh. Gusto niya mag-record. So parang same lang sila ng camera ko. Gusto ko sana bilhin yun pero wala sila. Tinanong ko, sabi nila wala silang stock pero available naman online. Dito mismo sa ano nila. Shop. Adjustable rechargeable light bar. Ganun pala. And meron din silang camera, oh. $49. Garden security light. Smart Wi-Fi. Strip light. That's cute. Sabi ng babae dito daw. Pero parang alam ko nasa counter nila. Kaya lang hindi ko din makita sa counter. Dun sa customer service. Wala daw guys. Wala silang stock. Oh! Ano na naman yan, Kai? Tingnan nyo to guys. $15 na lang oh. Hindi ko alam 35 ata siya. Kasi same naman sila na to. Ng black. Di ba same sila? Or, I don't know. Same lang naman sila. Ayun. Gusto ko, mahilig kasi si Mia mag-video. Kaya lang hindi naman siguro to, 16. Yes! What happened? Meron din, meron din silang ganito. Touchscreen camera. That's cool. $29. Halang cute naman ito. Mini digital camera. Liit-liit. Halang liit-liit. $10 na lang. Totoo, $10 na lang. Yung lilac. Ang cute naman. Portable monitor. Ay, ganun. Hello, nice. Try natin to. $10 lang. Ito pala yung regalo ni Ate Riz kay Mia, oh. Gustong-gusto niya, guys, as in. Kailangan natin siya bilhan ng more paper. Tingnan niyo siya. Palitan natin yung kanyang ride sa bahay kasi unicorn man yun. Tapos yung isa masyadong maliit na sa kanya. Ayan, si Pau Patro. Mabuti nakasil. Tapos nag-iisa na lang siya, guys. Ayan, nakasil din tong Bluey, oh. Airplane naman siya. Si Bluey. Ah! Look, Kai. Which one do you like? Oh, parang cute na to. Meron siyang pa-fun here. Look, Kai. Parang cute na to. Kaya lang mas maganda yung gulong na to. Ah, you like that one? Beep, beep. Ah, that's the sound only. Oh, nice. You sit here, oh. Yeah. Not yet. No, no. You have to hold it. We need to pay. Tingnan niyo siya. Alam niyo nung nasa Adelaide kami, guys. Kinuha niya din yung Bluey ata yun or yung red na Bluey. Sumakay din siya. You want that? Ha? Oh. Skateboard man yan. Si Mia gusto din mag-skate. Kakaloka tong batang to. Super adventurous. Nung nakita niya to last time, gusto niya din ipabili. Sabi ko, saan ka mag-skate sa bahay? Oh, tingnan niyo siya. Hala, tingnan niyo, bumaba ng kanyang ride. Tsaka kumuha ng babos. Nakita niya yung babos. Babos, gusto mo dalawa? How about we get the big one? Ayan siya. Ay, bo, tatlo. Just one. You don't need 2 and 3. Just one. Bumibili tayo lagi ng mga ganito nasisira man, guys. Yung mga electric. Nasisira. Oh, dali. Let's go. Let's go pay. Yeah? Come on. Just get one. Here, you want the blue one? It matches your clothes. Oh, just one. Okay? Let's put this back. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Sit. Let's go sit. In there. Sit in there. Look at the Bluey. Look at the Bluey, Kai. Kai, look at the Bluey. Is it off? Which one do you like? Oh, ouchie.
I want pizza. I want pizza.
Go home. Sumuulan na, guys. How's your gymnastics today? Did you memorize your routine? Did you do the routine today? That's good. Are you ready for the competition? Wow. Tingnan nyo siya, na-amaze siya sa camera. Pinatulog ko to
Mini.
pagdating sa bahay kasi tulog siya sa car. Ngayon lang siya nagising, guys. Kaya suot na yung shoes ni Mami.
Oh my god.
Si Daddy nasa labas. Meron siyang inaayos na cue.
Mommy, can I open
So,
this?
kung hindi nyo alam, si Daddy is
Can I open this?
fixing cue, guys. Yung
No, he's
stick.
building.
Yeah.
not fixing.
Yeah, building and fixing. So, he's doing fixing and building of the pool cue. Yung stick sa billiard. Yung ganun.
Mommy, can I open this?
So,
Can I
cue
open this?
yung tawag dun. And, meron siyang mga
Excuse me,
customers
Mommy.
na dumadating dito sa bahay to fix the cue. So, yeah. Ngayon meron siyang customer dun. I think.
Can I open this? Can I open
Uy! Nandun na siya sa
Can I
kitchen.
open this? Mommy, can I open this? Can I open?
Alright, so let's do a haul. So, ito yung binili ko sa online. Click and collect. Para to sa school ni Mia kasi next week, Friday, ata, meron silang 100 days. So, kailangan nila mag-dress up as old people. What? So, ito yung kinuha ko kay Mia na hair. Look. Yeah. So, meron silang ganito.
God, for me.
For school, you have to dress up as an old lady. So, meron silang walking cane. Tapos, meron naman siyang dress doon na pang ano, pang old lady, yun na lang. You can be an old lady. Tapos, nag-order ako kasi mahilig sila kumain ng orange. And ito, mahilig gumawa ng... Did you drink? Oh, yum. Tinuturo yung drink ni Daddy.
Mommy?
Uminom man siya ng tea.
Can I give you this. Look, it also has rainbow there.
Yeah, just put it there.
But mommy,
And
can I
yeah,
open
so
this
try
now?
natin to if it's working. Citrus
Open this
juicer, ganito yung itsura.
Open this now. You can open it. Can you hold?
Electronically protected. Ah, ito yung beep ng beep. Can you get the scissors? Because we need to cut this.
Oh,
So, $2. Magkano to? Nakalimutan ko na. $10. Ayan, mini camera. So, since mahilig yung mga anak ko sa ganito, binilhan ko na lang. Tapos, naka-sale din naman kasi. Ikaw, inom ka ng inom, ha? That's Daddy's drink. Inom ka ng inom dyan. Mini camera. Did you, read it?
No.
No? You just know it's mini?
Yes. I call it mini camera.
It is mini. It's got a name there. Mini camera. Is this rechargeable?
I think it needs to charge.
Need to charge it. Oh,
Can we just cut
so
this?
this is the
Can
keychain.
we cut this?
Rechargeable siya. So it's got USB-C here. Tapos ito yung connection. Yeah, you gotta... Kai, go down. Alright, so this is the camera. How cute is the camera, guys? Oh my god. Where is the on button?
One button.
I think you have to charge it first. Ang cute man yan. Ang liit. Aww.
Mommy, what SD card? Where is the SD card?
Don't do that. Don't touch that.
Where is the SD card?
You have to put something here to make it work. Here. Where's your, there's, another camera, the purple one.
Yeah.
Tingnan niyo tong anak ko.
The purple one?
Yeah, that Andrea gave you. I think there's an SD card there. Can you check?
Okay.
Meron din siyang flashlight,
It's so
guys.
cute.
Kaya lang nalulubat na siya. Kailangan na siya i-charge.
But, Mommy, I don't know where the
Yeah.
SD card is.
Flashlight. Tapos, pwede ka din mag-record dito.
Wait,
Ang
Mommy,
ganda.
you can actually put this on your neck?
No, you can put it here too.
Ooh.
That's for the camera. Wait, how do you charge this? Can you charge this there? So it's not, ano? So, meron tayong, ang dami kong orange dun. So, i-juice ko siya, guys. Ito, lagay ko sa may stairs namin.
It was the other side. I flipped it around. It was fine.
Okay. Ano to siya? Sensor motion down light sa stairs. Kasi pag gabi, nililive lang namin yung aming light na open. So, mas better to. Tapos, I got this from Target. Pumunta kami ng Target. So, very, ano siya, appropriate sa color ng uniform ni ate. Pero more green lang siguro to. But, yeah, meron siyang checkered. Checkered kasi yung, ano ni ate, uniform. Tapos, I've got this digital video recorder. Gusto ko lang siya i-try, guys. Kasi, naka-sale naman siya. 15 lang to. So, let's try this. And, gustong-gusto ni Ate Mia. So, bumili ako ng more. So, 2, 3, 4, 5 na face mask. Tapos, nakasale na naman sila sa mga, you know, winter clothes nila. So, wala na doon para kay ate. Wala nang ibang tawag dito kulay. So, ito na lang yung size 6. Sinay 6 ko na para at least next. Ay! Hala! Don't hit the TV! Come here. It's not working. Para next year, magamit niya pa. So, ayan. Pink and beige. Gusto ko sana yung black. Ayan. May purple din. Wala ng size. Tapos sa Kmart. So, this is from Target, guys, ha. Target ko to nabili. Ito. Tapos yung ride ni Kai na chase sa Target din, pero naiwan ko sa labas. Tapos sa Kmart, meron silang rack na puro $1, kaya lang wala nang natirang size for Kai. So this is size 3 and it fits him now, but this is for sleeping actually. Feeling ko may partner to, pero wala yung partner niya dun. So $1 na lang siya, guys. Diba? Pwede niya to actually pang labas, not just for sleeping. Ayan. Yung ano, guys, nail polish remover sa Kmart, mura lang to kaysa sa Kohl's. Kasi si Daddy pag nag-ano siya, nag-work siya sa mga queue, ginagamit niya to, at ginamit ko yung kanya panglinis ng table kasi may mga paint stain dito si Mia na hindi makuha easily. So ito yung ginagamit ko, acetone, para makuha siya agad. So, yeah. Ito, try natin to i-open. Hala, cute. Ganito naman siya, guys. So, tadan! Amazing! Paano mo ito ma-open? Ito? Hindi siya na-on. Bakit? Kailangan ng battery.
Wait, is that for me?
Oh, you need AAA battery. You need the small battery. Can you get it? Or you need, or rechargeable siya. Kasi merong ganito. Para saan to? Ano, nakasale to eh. Oh! Wait lang,
Wait, stop.
Wait. I'll teach you how to use this. So, ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Hi! Yeah. Galing paano mag-record. Here. So, this is a camera. So, you can take picture here. This one. So, smile. Oh! And then, you have to check, I think, here. You're excited. Ay, this way. Wait lang, wait lang. Oh! Can I go out? Can I go out so that I can push it? Yan, I think. Already! Bye-bye, Kai-Kai! Bye-bye! Yung unicorn kasi ni ate, wala nang sound. Hindi na siya interesting. Yeah, go, go! No? Oh, you like your ride? Wow, you have a new ride! Ay, thank you. Kai-Kai! Hello, Kai-Kai! Tignan nyo to, ang galing. Nag-record siya. Yung bibilin ko kasi sana talaga na ano is yung parang ganito yung itsura, yung ililip ko na lang yung picture sa screen. Nakita ko lang kasi sa TikTok na parang magkahawig sila nitong Osmo. So sabi ko, oh, try ko nga. Tapos yung sabi ng babae nga wala silang stock. Pero nakita ko naman sa online meron. So I don't know bakit. But yeah, this is nice. Amazing. Guys. So ito na yung nagawa natin. Orange. Ang galing. Mabilis lang. So ang dami kong orange dito kasi nabili ko to siya sa Spanshad, I believe. Or, ay hindi. MCQ. Sa MCQ ko to nabili. Nakalagay sweet and juicy. So, nabili ko siya. Kasi sweet and juicy siya. Kaysa sa Coast. And ito yung laman niya. Ito yung gusto ko. Yung parang orange talaga yung loob. Hindi yellow. So, ganito mo lang. Ipe-press mo lang. Ayan. Tapos, lalabas na yung juice. Diba? Ang galing.
Whoa, my favorite.
Your favorite?
Yes.
Yeah, that's your favorite.
I love orange juice.
Parang wala na kasi yung fresh orange sa ano guys, sa Coast. Parang kinuha na nila. Wala na din sa Ellenbrook, hindi ko na siya nahanap.
Let me taste.
You press. Oops.
Wait.
Ready? Baby. You have to cover your hand.
Okay.
So it's gonna the sides.
Okay, let me do it. Let me do it. I can see the juice.
Love it.
Yes. See?
More.
It's the funnest thing ever.
Oh, 0.5 siya guys. Yung nagawa namin. Ayan o, 0.5 liters. Can I try first?
Jelly din isa. Siya ko to.
I'm just gonna whisk
Where's Kai? Kai!
Papa. Papa.
It's good.
Yeah, good.
Good? Fresh
Come
orange.
here.
Good? Can I try?
Come
You already
here.
did it.
Why is it so sharp? Drink think you're the one that's not sharp. It's just sour. Maybe we need to add sugar.
Sour siya.
No, it's
Sugar.
good.
Makalis ng
It's good,
sweetener.
Mommy.
Mas healthy ang sweetener kasi sa sugar.
It's good. It's not too sour. It's okay.
What honey?
Oh, you wanna join to the vlog? Oh, hello people. Hello. Oh, hi people. Kakatapos na namin kumain. Ang tagal kasi ni ate magbalat ng kiwi, guys. Oh, hindi na siya makahintay. Can you cut this bit here so I can give to Kaya?
Here.
Be careful your fingers, ate. Yeah, cut it here. Oh my goodness. Ayaw niya talaga. Gusto niya siya talaga mag-cut, guys. Put it here so it's not hard for you. So, hindi na ako nagluto ng dinner kasi marami kaming leftover, guys. So,
I love eating kiwi.
this is a bit sour. Can you cut this one? This part?
Okay. Wait, do you know the middle one is actually super sweet?
It is sweet. The end is sour. This end bit. Thank you. Kai. Bongga naman talaga.
My first time cutting the wrong turn. It's a long time. You're so quick. And why I'm so
Tagal niya talaga. Hindi na ako second kiwi na to. Nung unang kiwi, siya din ang nagbalat. Pero ako yung nagtapos kasi sabi ko, bilisan mo na, hindi na makapaghintay si Kai. Tapos habang kumakain kami ng unang kiwi, nagbabalat na siya. Pero hanggang ngayon, di pa din siya tapos. Naubos na namin yung unang kiwi.
Guys, do you know how old I am? 6.
Siya lang ata yung gustong tumanda, guys. Ako gusto ko bumata. Siya gustong tumanda. You know when you reach mommy's age, like 30 plus, you don't wanna be old. You just wanna be young. You just wanna be young again.
Yeah.
Yeah. So don't hurry up. You know? Just cherish the moment, your age. Just cherish it. Enjoy your kabataan. You know? Because when you're old like mommy, in my age, you have a lot of responsibility to do. You have a lot of responsibility in your hands.
Look at this.
Amazing! Look at this, guys! Diba?
I did that.
Well done, baby. Ito, gusto niya pa mag-build nitong kanyang Hello Kitty na Lego.
Imagine I got the cinnamon roll up.
Ha?
Imagine I got the cinnamon roll.
Cinnamorowa. What did you say?
Why?
So, ito yung kanyang i-build. And nagpapatulong siya.
If you get all of them, you can connect it.
Oh, yes. Yeah. I don't know where they get it from. Yung customer namin sa shop, friend ni Daddy, nung high school siya, alam nila na birthday ni Mia. So, nagpadala sila ng ano, guys, regalo for her. Ang very, very nice. Yung andito na naman siya. Oh, what is that? Oh, good job, Kaika. Oh, wow, amazing! Laro lang muna siya dyan. Well, busy pa ang aking Kai-Kai. Maglinis tayo ng ating kinainan at maghugas ng kinainan. No.
Just for me. This is for
Pinagagawa na sa taas na ng table. Ang cute na, oh. Again. Nice. We're not going up on the table. Yeah, pagkawin na. kasi namin, ano siya, mirror siya, guys. So, tinitingnan niya yung sarili niya dun. Tapos dito, nakikita niya din yung reflection niya kasi fish tank. Wala na yung stop. Wala na. Wala na. Oh no. Fix it, ate.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Fix it again. Tutulungan ako ni ate maghugas para maano siya. Para mag-stop lang sila dun sa table, guys. Kasi kung saan si ate, andun din si Kai. So, hindi ko tulungan mo na lang ako na paghugas. Tutulungan niya daw ako. Tabingi talaga kayo. Naiinis ako tumingin ng screen. Oh, tabingi kayo talaga, guys. Ewan ko na lang. Hindi kayo straight. Do the cups first. There.
Okay, the cups.
Yeah. Good job, Kai. Yeah, do it quickly. Yes, mommy. Do it quickly. Okay, don't play.
Not.
Just wash it. Ang cute naman talaga ni Kai doon. Sinakyan niya yung unicorn.
The cups like that?
Yes. And then put the other one, this one and this one together on top of each other. So we can save space.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, scary!
Don't forget to pack away the ground.
Pack away that first.
Yeah, that's... This doesn't have
Are
a
you gonna
frame.
wear this?
It is also, your hair doesn't go
That's
there.
not proper lace.
Wala.
Diba?
It's on the plate.